In this video we're talking about top cryptocurrencies for investment in 2022. Bitcoin. How could the list begin without including Bitcoin? The fact that it is accepted by the majority of trading platforms and crypto exchanges is a strong sign of its popularity. With its thriving market domination since its inception, it's safe to assume that the trend will continue in the future days. Ethereum. The fact that Ethereum has risen to second place does not seem to have surprised anybody. The fact that Ethereum's price has increased by more than 800% in the last year has caused everyone to stumble. In addition, this coin contributes significantly to the expansion of decentralized finance, DeFi. As a result, Ethereum attracting attention from all corners makes perfect sense. Binance Coin. This is the one digital currency that has had a massive growth in value over the previous 12 months. This cryptocurrency has been expanding and changing since its debut by Binance, one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges and trading platforms. It's no surprise that fresh and distinctive developments related with Binance Coin have emerged as a significant driver in its exponential rise in value. With the current trend expected to continue in the next years, this cryptocurrency validates its status as the future crypto king in 2022. Solana. Solana is an open-source project that uses the permissionless aspect of blockchain technology to create decentralized financial, DeFi, solutions. Solana is well known in the cryptocurrency world because to the blockchain's extraordinarily fast processing speeds. Solana's hybrid protocol enables for substantially faster transaction and smart contract execution validation. Solana has also gained a lot of institutional attention because to its lightning-fast processing rates. Avalanche. AVAX. Avalanche is a Layer 1 blockchain that serves as a foundation for decentralized apps and bespoke blockchain networks. It is a competitor to Ethereum, with the goal of dethroning Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It intends to do this by providing a larger transaction output of up to 6,500 transactions per second while maintaining scalability. Algorand. Algorand is a self-sustaining, decentralized, blockchain-based network that may be used for a variety of purposes. These systems are safe, scalable, and efficient, which are all important characteristics for real-world applications. To develop new types of trust, Algorand will enable calculations that need dependable performance assurances. In response to the long transaction speeds of Bitcoin and other blockchains, Algorand was created to speed up transactions and enhance efficiency. Polygon. Polygon, formerly Modic Network, is the first well-structured, simple-to-use Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development platform. Polygon SDK, the framework's basic component, is a modular, versatile framework that can be used to create a variety of applications. Polygon may be used to generate optimistic rollup chains, ZK rollup chains, standalone chains, and any other kind of infra the developer requires. Aave. Aave is a decentralized financial system that enables users to lend and borrow cryptocurrency. Depositing digital assets into specifically designed liquidity pools earns lenders interest. Borrowers may then utilize this liquidity to take out a quick loan using their Bitcoin as collateral. When it was started in November 2017, Aave, which means ghost in Finnish, was known as Ethland, however it was rebranded to Aave in September 2018. Aave functions as a governance token, providing owners a voice in the protocol's future development. It also rewards holders with lower platform costs. Shiba Inu, SHIB. Under the alias, Ryoshi, the Shiba Inu coin was designed secretly in August 2020. The charming attractiveness of the meme currency, along with articles and tweets from celebrities like Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin, drew in a community of investors, rapidly increasing its speed and value. Coinbase, the biggest crypto exchange in the United States, added Shiba Inu on its website on September 17, 2021. Shiba Inu's price increased by almost 40% in the next 2 days as a result of this revelation, putting the meme dog token back into the limelight. Terra Luna. Terra is a blockchain technology that powers price-stable global payment networks using fiat-pegged stablecoins. Terra, according to its white paper, combines the price stability and widespread use of fiat currencies with the censorship resistance of Bitcoin, BTC, to provide quick and economical transactions. Terra's development started in January 2018, and the mainnet debuted in April 2019. Uniswap, Uniswap is a well-known decentralized trading system that helps automate the exchange of decentralized finance, DeFi, tokens. Uniswap was founded in November 2018, but it has grown in popularity this year as a result of the DeFi phenomena and the resulting increase in token trading. Uniswap seeks to maintain token trading automated and available to anybody who owns tokens, while also enhancing trading efficiency over conventional exchanges. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.